Hello everybody, Bruce here with a short video on the built-in string library within Python. On my screen here you can see I have some sample code, and on line 7 you can see that I'm importing the string library, again built in right into Python. On line 10 I'm saying, hey string library, I want you to generate for me all of the ASCII lowercase letters. And again, this is something that's built right in to the library here. In fact, if I do this, if I say print lower, right, and then I take all of these lines right here and I just comment them out, and I go back up here and I run this code, you can see here that it printed out A, B, C, D all the way through the lowercase letter Z, right? And of course, I could have hard-coded that as a string, but I don't know about you, but I'm kind of lazy and I wouldn't want to type in A, B, C, D, E, you know, all that stuff, right? So that's the lowercase, ASCII lowercase, right? So I'm just going to comment that out and then show you this one, right? So again, this will generate all of the uppercase letters, and again, I'm assigning the string that this returns to a variable, in this case called upper, and I'm just printing it out, right? So there, right? And there are all of the uppercase letters. And some of you mentioned that you saw the use of this string library in one of the problem sets, so I thought, actually that's why I'm creating this video, okay? I could have done this too, right? I could have just put this thing right here in a print, right? And just printed out those letters like that, but that's, I don't know how I would use that, all right? So I'm just gonna go back here and I'm gonna go down to this one where it's called all letters, string.ASCII underscore letters, right? And if I print that out, that's gonna give me, that's gonna give me all of the uppercase and lowercase letters. So look at that, all the lowercase letters, all of the uppercase letters. Again, I don't know about you, but I'm lazy and I don't want to build strings like that all the time. So digits, numbers 0 through 9, string.digits. So if we play, right, boom, where are you? Did I not print them out? I didn't print them out. Print out digits, okay? Print out digits. And if I run it, there they are, 0 through 9, all of the known digits, right? So I hope you can see how, you know, you can use this stuff here. Oh, and by the way, punctuation, string.punctuation, right? So if I run this, right, you can see here that, again, I forgot to print it out. I need to slow down, okay? I'll run that, boom. And you can see here I get all the punctuation marks that are available for you. So there you go. And the way I use this in one of the problem sets is where I concatenated them all together, right? I took all of the, here, let's just do it, okay? Let's just do it. So I'll take, let's see, lower, let's say all equals lower plus upper, right? Plus, let's see, upper, all letters I'm going to skip over, digits and punctuation, digits plus punctuation, right? And I think I'm going to call all as a reserved word, I believe, so I'll say it all characters, and then I'll print that out, print all all characters. I can't type today, characters, right? And I'll run it, and there they are. It creates this big string with all that stuff in it. Because, again, I'm lazy, and I didn't want to have to type all those characters in a big string, right? So what I'll do is I'll include all of this code here. Let me see if I can just uncomment it out altogether. Yeah, so there you go. Again, it's just, I'm just showing you all together here all of the print statements at one time, all right? It says here, if you read this comment and want some extra credit, just message Bruce on Slack. I guess what you need to Slack me is trick or treat, okay? Because it's Halloween when I recorded this. So there you go. I hope this video helped. Again, I will post this code in Canvas, and I will also share it on Slack. And that's the string library. And I believe that there are other things available as part of the string library, but I wanted to show you the ones that are most common. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.